Now, today is finally that day where we get to see the NEV insurance registration from some of our favorite EV stocks like Nio. And ladies and gents, from the period which started on the 1st to the 7th of January, Nio saw total NEV insurance registrations of around 3,000. Well, this is, of course, down from the 5,700 deliveries we had seen in the last week of December. And this, ladies and gents, is actually not surprising because this is what we usually see each and every year, or each and every beginning of the year, where we see, of course, sales or car sales going down because people are coming from holidays or long holidays, and therefore they don't have much money to spend on buying new cars. That's why we usually see the figures becoming so low. I mean, Leodo, ladies and gents, they just saw total NEV insurance registrations of over 4,000. I mean, this is the very same Leodo that saw over 10,000 of insurance registration in the last week of course, December. So their NEV insurance registration figures have been slashed by over of course 50%, or it's I mean from 10,000 to just below 5,000. It just has to show you that the demand for or in this industry beginning of the year or this past week was very low. I mean, a car company like Tesla saw total NEV insurance registration from the same period of around 3,200. I mean, this just shows you of how bad it is when it comes to the NEV insurance registration, or how bad it was when it comes to the NEV insurance registration last week. I mean, Tesla, usually you will know that they are over 10,000. Li Auto over 10,000, and to get to see this happening just has to show you the kind of demand that is there, or the kind of the bad demand that is there now in January. So to get to see Nio still coming out with 3,000, I think it is really commendable for them. It is a good thing, and I think we should give a thumbs up to them, because whilst we saw the other EV makers dropping so bad in terms of the NEV insurance registration numbers, Nio didn't drop that much when we compare to the other EV companies. I mean, I'm not that disappointed with the Nio numbers. I mean, when I see these numbers from the very same companies like Tesla, companies like, of course, Leodo, who usually, like I said, they deliver over 10,000, now delivering below 5,000. This is something that just has to show you that it is bad. But Nio, regardless, they managed to pull through their 3,000 NEV insurance registrations. So Nio sold also 3,000, which I think, comparing to the kind of NEV insurance registrations we are seeing from other EV companies, I mean, company like XPeng didn't even, unfortunately, the figures were not even there or featured on this report, which I don't know why, but there was a rumor that indicated that they sold vehicles, or they had NEV insurance registrations of below 2,000. This is not good. That, of course, it's not good, and it just shows you that the demand in car sales now in January, it's low. But I'm excited as the new investor, because we still got 3,000 NEV insurance registrations from last week Monday until Sunday, which is something that is pretty good, especially looking at the kind of insurance registrations that other EV companies reported. So I know 3,000, it's not what we wanted to see, but I think it is not that bad. These are pretty good numbers, especially looking at the kind of a season, or at the kind of a period we are in. So I hope to see Nio at least delivering over 15,000 deliveries for now, the month of January. It will be so great to hit the same 18,000, but 15,000, it's my, of course, prediction for this month. I think it's still possible, and I hope to see Nio, of course, delivering good delivery numbers. Otherwise, looking at the figures which Nio gave to their supply chain, they indicated that this year they are targeting to deliver 230,000 for the Nio brand, meaning that on a month-to-month, on average, they should be delivering around 19,000 plus minus 19,000 deliveries, which therefore means, yeah, most of the month we must see Nio playing around 20,000 deliveries to make sure that they get at least the 230 which they gave to their supply chain. Otherwise, we know that the 230 excluded their sub brand, which is something that, of course, it's good, because we know that come end of the year we will see Nio delivering over 250,000 deliveries, probably including the sub brand, which will be so amazing to see or to watch. So 30,000 NAV insurance registration is what Nio produced for last week. I hope to see, of course, these figures improving as to this month unfold. I hope to see next week becoming better. But as it stands, the entire new energy vehicle, of course, it looks like it's been heavily hit by low demand during now in January, which is something that, like I said, it is quite common. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, you'll know that Nio is one of the stocks that I talk a lot about on this channel, because I believe in their fundamentals, their future prospects, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds are definitely going to see, of course, the rewards of remaining long and strong onto this stock. I'm still hopeful. I still believe that Nio will do very well. I mean, you will know that now in Q1 we're expecting, or Nio is expecting to officially unveil their sub brand, which, ladies and gents, we don't know if they will come with price or without the price, but obviously it will be great that they tell us the price of how much their sub brand, or the actual price of the sub brand that they'll be launching, which is Alps, will cost. Though we know the range to say that it will be somewhere between 200 and 300,000 RMB or Chinese yen, but we want to know the exact starting price for this car, so that we know how much this Alp car will be costing those that want to buy it. But we know, of course, that it's the mass market brand, which is something that makes me to be really excited. Otherwise, I thought that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, before you buy Nio for the very first time or increase your holdings, it is always good that after reading reports, after watching Nio videos, you do your own due diligence to confirm whatever we are saying, or to confirm or to get more information about Nio, so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.